Hey everyone, this is John from AAAFx, and in this short tutorial video I'm going to show you how to place orders on the AAAFx MetaTrader 4 platform. So here we have a chart for the Euro US dollar. In order to place a trade, there's two ways you can do it. So you can either click New Order right here, and once you click that you have a sell by market button and buy by market button. Here you can enter obviously the instrument that you wish to trade, so the Euro US dollar, the volume for the lot size, so say we want to do a standard lot. You can also enter the stop loss, the take profit, and you can do it by either typing in manually the actual price point or by just using the buttons here to increase or decrease in price. And that is it. So if I was to just delete the stop loss there and just hit sell, there we go. We have now entered a sell position, which is now in the terminal window at the bottom here. You can see one lot size, the price, and the current profit and loss. Okay, now there is a quicker way to enter the market, and that is using one-click trading. So I'm just going to close this position that we entered, and there we go. Now if you right click on the chart, if one-click trading is activated, so by clicking it, you will see these two buttons in the top left hand screen. Okay, you've got the sell button, the buy button, really simple, and then you also have the lot size. So here you can quickly just type in the lot size you want, 2 lots, 2.0.5, whatever it might be. It's probably quicker just to type in, double click, type in the amount you want, so 1 lot, and then we can just sell or buy. So say we want to buy, just hit buy, boom, we're in. Instant execution, and you're in the trade pretty much immediately. So that is how you can enter a position on AAAFx MetaTrader 4 platform. Really simple, really quick. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you again very soon. Take care.